Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room saying howdy from Wild West in Wyoming. Some of y'all know that I've taken a couple of months. Well, we're still working, running the room. Taking a couple of months to come out and spend some time with my daughter and granddaughter and son-in-law and enjoy just loving life with time and financial resources to just sort of do what's important. Yeah, I'll get this done. It's a pretty spectacular life if you choose to make it. We're going to talk about Monday the 11th. This is Tuesday morning, and we're going to talk about how we position ourselves in front of future price movements on an immediate basis and how we help our members find advantages in the market. I'm going to make this legal. I'm going to go fast. Okay, it's a pretty simple idea. Uh, this is not a secret. Y'all know that price has to follow order flow. It can do nothing else, right? This idea has made more day traders successful than everything else. See, price can't move without new orders entering the market. Now, if you can't or don't have valid order flow reach built into your trading, I'm not sure how you could make it, expect to make it work. Maybe there you can, but anyway, if price follows order flow, does that help us get in front of future price movements? All of our indicators were in our method of trading. Rob Mitchell, World Cup trading champion. Reversal bars 8 ticks, continuation bars 4 ticks. Super Smart Rinkos will tell you more about immediate order flow read than any other price bar you can imagine. For people that want to get that exact and precise and exceptional in their trading results. Okay. If you have questions, email stockindextradingroom@gmail. If you want to come and join us, go to our website. There's a 6 or 7 minute video, really short there. Look at it. There's a discount at the end of that, so you can save yourself some money. This is our room chart for the Monday, right? This is just the way we do things. This is Tuesday morning. It looks like 8 o'clock East Coast, almost 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock exchange time. And here's what we're doing. Okay. Going to keep this really simple. We're not going to talk about the whys, but when our background is green, we like to buy it. When it's red, we like to sell it. And if you do that for a while and become proficient at these, other things will appear before your eyes that you can't believe. And you're only going to be trading a single winning concept for a period of time, and then it will start to splinter into more and more and more productivity in your trading. But if you only just want to trade this, we'll show you what happened on Monday. If you follow our work, you know why we would be looking down on Monday morning, and why you should too at some point relatively early in the day. But what we're going to do is we have this trap trader oscillator is this first panel indicator, and it's reading order flow. It's reading strength of order flow. It's reading position of order flow. It's reading support and resistance in order flow. Rob's worked 3 decades, World Cup trading champion, one of the greatest system developers, indicator developers in our generation, has worked 3 decades refining this. Okay. So when people look and go, wow, that's maybe hard to believe. I get that. I get that. People think if something looks too good to be true, it is. I dispel that in the room by saying winning ideas are supposed to look good, y'all. Okay. So get over that if that's holding you back. So I had this arrow, this is our room chart. I had this arrow, these for teaching. This arrow was on a chart because even though it's a couple of minutes before the open, it's Monday and it's a brilliant trade and everything's pointing down and we've got a high level of expectation down, or you could have waited here so market's open. And all we're looking for is this, real simple, okay, is we get a red background. That tells us the market's under distribution and we anticipate the market to rotate down. And then we look for this. We look for this orange trap trader oscillator line going through that green horizontal. We call this smart break point, TTO smart break point lead out. So what this is telling us is that order flow was leading out price to the downside within this bar. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. This was a congestion engulfed. We had a shadow on this, as you've seen in our last webinar. I took that off so we could look at this. And you could say, well, we're in congestion. I understand that. I do. Some people don't mind. Other people would say, hey, I don't care. I can hold it. I want to do that. That's just up to the trader, right? But let's say we break and then we go, okay, we have order flow lead out. This is this is just everything about this signal is screaming down. Everything about this signal is screaming down in our reads. But one of the things you'll see is there's just way too much buying in this last reversal bar, a continuation bar up. Order flow is down. These people have bought it against order flow and are going to get squeezed out. These people have bought it against order flow and are going to get squeezed out. These people have bought it against order flow and are going to get squeezed out. And we can, we can track this all day long. But if you come to the room, you'll learn how to read and use that. Okay. So here we have one that it's just, I'm just showing order flow lead outs. Okay. And it didn't work. So we had, I think, five signals that worked at least 5 points or more, and then we have one that didn't work as the market turns. Okay, well, so now that we're on a green background, we're going to look for order flow lead outs that say buy. Okay, well, there's one. There's a double green and red. This breaks through support and resistance. Y'all know which way that goes. Support and resistance, you know which way that goes. Support and resistance, you know which way that goes, right? So you catch on why our members have such an advantage. It's because Rob, over 3 decades, has figured out how to look inside of a bar and read order flow that's happening inside a bar, and then where it's positioned and trader traps give us a really, really keen advantage into the market. Couple of good news items about what we do. One, it doesn't matter what level of trader, beginner to seasoned veteran, maybe somebody looking to put the final piece in to become a professional trader. This is it. Somebody looking to get off on the right foot and create winning habits from the beginning. This certainly will help you, and our teaching in the room will help you. So it doesn't matter where you are in your trading career. Reading order flow breakouts helps you get in front of future market movement most of the time. The other good news is that we have filtered this down through the years, that if we get signals in congestion, we don't really want them. We really would rather be trading open zones. But if we get those, we're certain about not the direction of the price. I mean, future movement. Nobody knows where the market's going specifically. Ultimately, maybe, but within 5, 6, 8 points, no, not really. Our stuff gives us a huge advantage into understanding what's going on. Selling. Okay, let's take advantage of that. And that's what we do in the room. So on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, world-class members of the Stock Index Trading Room, if this makes sense, ask me some questions, get in touch, come and join us. We'd love to have you take advantage of this. We wish you the best in your trading, and we look forward to hearing your success stories as well.